cejas. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. So we're going to be, you know, trying to recreate it. Okay, girls, so I already primed my face and I'm going to try to go a little bit more natural, even though like I do have acne, and I'm gonna try to cover this up. We're going to be focusing more on the eyeshadow. I did straighten my hair, but I have clips in and I have a Selena shirt on, my girl. Okay, so I am going to be using the BB cream and I'm just gonna spruce them out. Me trying to use big words. No, I'm just gonna like, is that even a word actually? Si ven cómo se está como que disminuyendo. Estoy tratando de hablar un poquito más de español porque ya se me está olvidando. Porque I'm too American. No, I'm not. I'm perfect. Mix of both. I'm using this empty freaking bottle of foundation. And I know you shouldn't be doing this, but do I care? Not really. This is probably why I have a hella acne. It's not funny. Okay, girls, so I am just following the picture that I showed you in the beginning. I'm just putting concealer right here outwardly, like this. And this concealer is kind of like the same color of my skin, so I think that's good, right? Disperse this. I think this is the word for today. We're gonna disperse. And I guess this is to make your lips look bigger. Okay, now I am contouring. This is the Essence contour and I'm just grabbing like a small brush and we're gonna work mostly on the nose just because why not? Like, hello? Just start at the button nose. Okay, girls, so I wanted to do the blush placement with you just because I really love the blush placement. I'm just going to grab my Beauty Creations blush and I'm going to focus it right here in this part right here. So it's gonna be like all of this right here, basically under my eyes. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know if these are Korean products or they're not, but I did. Are they Korean? Yeah, most likely, because I think that's Korean writing in the back. But I got this palette and I'm going to be using this palette for my eyes today. I actually really love this. I've been using this for the longest time. And I have this cream what is it, highlighter, which I really like. It's to give you that glow. So how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna try to use cooler toned eyeshadow, pink if I can, but mostly like cooler toned. I actually love the pink that she did in this, so I'm gonna try to recreate the pink. So I hope that you can see. I'm just taking the pink and I'm following the eyeshadow map that I looked up on Pinterest. So obviously if you need help with that, look it up on Pinterest. See, we're just creating like a mini cut crease. So I'm gonna grab my concealer and I'm just going to kind of cut crease it just a little bit, and I'm going to stamp that in there and blend it with the pink. A little bit of concealer is best. Don't use a whole lot because this is like a soft cut crease. It's not a lot. This is like perfect, I think. We're gonna create an eyeliner, and this eyeliner is not gonna be too defined and sharp. It's just gonna be like a cutesy little liner, you know? But I am gonna be using a shadow to do my eyeliner. I actually love this makeup. Like, I've never done something like this on my face. I feel like I always do like my regular makeup, and I'm gonna be doing the like bottom. Did I do it too close? I don't think so. And this is absolutely amazing and I love it. I love it. This is actually super freaking cute. I love it. Add a little bit more just because I love glitter. And I'm gonna be using the palette that I showed you. And I am going to be adding this champagne one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I'm just kidding. I honestly don't think I even need the lashes, but I'll just add like a few here and there, like small one. Put literally 2 on there. Like the other ones are my natural lashes, so just saying. I'm just kidding. And now for the bottom lash, because it's another essential part of the makeup, and it's mostly like on the outer corner. So I'm just looking at inspo pics on like literally what is it, Pinterest. Let me finish my hair and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this makeup. It looks so rejuvenating. I'm actually gonna put this on just for, because why not? It's not summer anymore, but it's summer in my head. It just smells so good. My hair's not really cooperating with me today. Well, it's just my bangs. I cut my bangs for Selena look, and my bangs were like, girl, you're not Selena. So yeah, that's where we're at right now.